Step into the 2011 Ford Expedition. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power steering, rear parking aid, front reading lamps, auxiliary audio input, stability control, driver vanity mirror, AM/FM stereo, fog lamps, and adjustable steering wheel. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.